Hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome here, and today's project is, I painted some blue stripes on the sides here, and I wanted to put some color on the back of this. It's got the blue stripes coming around, so what I was thinking was painting this engine hatch here blue. Add a little color to the back of the RV. So anyways, there's a before shot, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. Well, I went ahead and put, I was going to do black, and I didn't have enough to put enough good coats on, so I just used that as a base coat, and so it's got a coat of black and 2 thick coats of blue on there so far. Doesn't look too bad. So I'll add a little color to the back of the RV. So what are these cucumbers?
One over here.
Oh yeah, about the size of a pickle.
Yeah.
And then these are squash. Is that what these are? Squash?
Zucchini.
Oh, zucchini, okay.
I pulled 3.
And you got some over there.
I graded them up for zucchini bracket.
Oh, did you? Got a lot of little tomatoes on there. And a little pepper plant there too. Look at them peppers. Are they hot peppers? Just bell peppers? Okay, so that's what it looks like now. A little bit of blue in the back. That didn't look too bad. Hey, it matches. Alright, cool. Another project done.